Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to change your nickname on Gmail using your Android device. If you need to update or change your nickname on Gmail, it's a quick and easy process that we'll guide you through in this video. Step 1. First, open your device's Settings app and tap on Google. This will take you to your Google account settings. Step 2. Next, tap on Manage your Google account to access your account settings. Step 3. At the top of the screen, tap Personal Info to access your personal information settings. Step 4. Look for the option labeled Nickname and tap on it. Step 5. Here, you'll see your current nickname. Tap on the pencil icon next to it to edit it. Step 6. Change your nickname to the desired name and tap Save to confirm the changes. And that's it. Your Gmail account will now display your updated nickname. Note that it may take some time for the changes to be reflected in all areas of your account. Changing your nickname on Gmail is a simple and easy process that can be helpful if you want to use a different name or if you want to be identified differently in your email communications. It's also a good idea to keep your personal information up to date to ensure that you're getting the most out of your Gmail account. In addition, updating your nickname on Gmail can also help with account security and verification. Remember that your nickname is an optional piece of personal information, and you should always make sure it's appropriate and respectful. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful in changing your nickname on your Gmail account using your Android device.